Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Red, from Sea Beasts, a really amazing Netflix movie. So we're going to go over it step by step all the way to the very end. If you're a beginner, you will absolutely be able to draw this with me, or you can just watch. Either way, there's a lot of learning either way. So let's jump in, okay? Really short lesson, so stay till the very end, okay? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw his whole body. So right here, I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw this big horn he has in the front of his head. Pull back down here. He's got like a giant type of rhino horn in the front of his head. I'm gonna pull out, down. Kind of throw a little like smile kind of thing going on here. Gonna go over here and draw the teeth sticking out the bottom. Like so. Gonna go over, well, first thing I'm gonna do is gonna pull back. He's got a relatively flat head. Down. Go over here. Curve for his whole body. All the way to his tail. Okay. Gonna go down here. Pull back. And then maybe curve here on the back of the jaw. Pull down. Right here. Alright. Gonna go here, find his eye over here on this side. It's gonna be kind of below the horn. Right there. And give him like a slit pupil thing going on. Let's find his nostril over here. Okie doke. Curve just a bit for the arm area. Down for his front kind of fin. Let me know if you saw the movie, by the way. I'm really curious. The Netflix movie. Out, down, curve in. And curve right here. I'm gonna go over here and find his hind, I guess, leg or fin. Up. Curve. Out, in. Okay. Let's go all the way to the end of the tail, and I'm gonna pull in a little bit. Curve. Out over here. Down. Here. He has a little bit of a thing going on in the back. Not totally though. Alright. Just give him a line right here going off his eye for kind of the brow area. Line over here for kind of this brow area. Gonna pull a bag under his eye right here. Very like little. Nothing too wild. Really, really cool design, by the way. Very, very cool design. And you can put spots on him because there's like different versions of him, but you can kind of leave it like that if you like. It's up to you. If you want to throw some spots on him, you can maybe throw some spots over here, around the fin area. But you don't have to. Again, it's really up to you. It's up to you if you feel that you need that, then absolutely do that. But again, it's kind of your prerogative. It's your prerogative to do that. This is just kind of the main design is what I'm going over, and that's really all I'm doing. So again, it's up to you. You can draw like lines right here for that top kind of fin that he has going on. And then you can do the other side over here. The far end kind of fin, and same thing over here on this side too. If you want to make it look like it's back there, you can kind of fill this in. I'm just gonna throw lines across it like that. It's a technique to kind of make it look like it's shaded, but not quite. You don't have to do that. And then lastly, I'm gonna draw a thick line throughout like the outside, just the outside area. If you want to see more designs from Sea Beast, let me know. I will totally make it happen. Like so. And you can draw maybe little lines right there on the horn. Nothing super hard about it. There's nothing amazingly hard about it. I guess I can draw another thick line around here as well, even though it's supposed to be receding into the background. But let me know if there's any other designs you want to see from the movie, or if there's anything that you know, any scene or anything like that. Remember, one thing I want you guys to remember is to draw all the time, draw every day. The more you draw, the more you're kind of going through the trial and error of all the stuff that, you know, you need to learn how to draw. He's a very clean character, this guy. He's very, like when you see him in the movie, it's very, very like, I mean, he can be cute even though he's this big character. But this is just him in side view. If you want to see like another view of him, I'll do another version of him. So it's really up to you guys. And since he's swimming through the water right now, you can maybe do this kind of thing where you got like very, very little bubbles, right? Because he's supposed to be a giant. Maybe you can draw like little bubbles. And if you really, really want, you can draw maybe the ocean above here, like the sea above, to kind of give it some scale, like way above there. Let me move that down a little bit. You can draw like a tiny little like ship right there. Little. You're trying to make all this stuff little, right? To kind of make it look like, right? Like there's a scale going up. Right over here, maybe another ship. And it can give it that illusion of scale, which is what you want, right? Because these guys are all giant. But yeah, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you really soon, all right? See you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.